Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this AOBEN 3/8 cordless ratchet. So I really do like this ratchet. It's super powerful. I get 2 batteries in this kit and I get a battery charger. The batteries are very easy to take on and off. Now if I want to change the direction of the ratchet, I'm going to turn it up there. Again, it is very, very powerful. If I need to lock it, I can push that button right there and I won't be able to press it. It's got like a gripper handle right here, but I love that everything comes nice and organized in this storage case. We've even got a couple sockets up here and an extension, but we can put the charger in here and the batteries. Take the battery out, store the battery, put the ratchet in, close it. We've got these nice latches and a nice carrying handle. I love when things are organized. So 3 things I love about it: extra battery, it's very powerful and cordless, and it comes with this really nice storage case that everything is all there when I'm ready, when I need it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.